Today, I am reviewing Ring Battery Doorbell 2024. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking to upgrade your home or business security, the newest Ring Battery Doorbell is an impressive option that combines convenience, smart features, and cutting-edge technology. This 2024 release offers head-to-toe video coverage, giving you 66% more vertical coverage compared to the previous generation. Whether you're keeping an eye on your front door, a package delivery, or visitors, this doorbell ensures you never miss a moment. One of the most convenient aspects of this device is its built-in battery, which charges via a USB-C port. You can quickly detach the doorbell from the wall to charge, then snap it back into place, which makes maintenance simple and straightforward. For those who prefer continuous power, it can also be hardwired to your existing doorbell system, offering flexibility to suit any setup. Installation is a breeze. Ring promises you can have it set up in about 5 minutes, and with the included mounting bracket and installation hardware, it's essentially a plug-and-play device for most homes. Once installed, the Ring Battery Doorbell keeps you connected with live view and two-way talk. Using the Ring app on your phone, you can see who's at your door in real time and even speak to them, whether it's a guest, a delivery person, or an unexpected visitor. This feature is particularly useful for busy households or small businesses where managing access remotely can be a real game changer. The motion detection system is another standout feature. With advanced motion sensors and customizable motion zones, you'll receive alerts directly on your phone whenever activity is detected at your door. If you choose to subscribe to Ring's optional service, you can even receive smart notifications indicating whether the detected motion is a person or a package. This ensures you know exactly what's happening at your property and adds an extra layer of peace of mind. Video quality is excellent with 1440 by 1440 HD resolution and color night vision, meaning you'll always have a clear picture, day or night. The head-to-toe video coverage allows you to see packages on the ground and visitors from head to toe, reducing blind spots that older models might miss. Pair this with a 150-degree horizontal and vertical field of view, and you have one of the most comprehensive video doorbells available on the market. Integration with smart home systems is seamless. The Ring Battery Doorbell works with Alexa, Google Home, Apple Siri, and the built-in Hello Ring voice assistant, giving you hands-free access to your video feed and notifications. You can launch video on an Echo Show, hear alerts from an Echo, or even manage settings through voice commands, making it incredibly easy to monitor your property no matter where you are in the house. Sustainability is also a consideration with this model. The product uses recycled materials and carries the Climate Pledge-friendly certification, ensuring that while you protect your home, you're also taking steps toward reducing your environmental footprint. In terms of security, Ring continues to innovate with software updates guaranteed for at least 4 years, keeping your doorbell protected against emerging digital threats. The device also comes with a 1-year limited warranty, and customer support is readily available for setup assistance or troubleshooting. In conclusion, the Ring Battery Doorbell is an excellent investment for anyone looking to upgrade home or business security. Its combination of head-to-toe HD video, advanced motion detection, two-way talk, easy installation, and smart home integration makes it a standout in the smart doorbell market. Whether you want to check on packages, talk to visitors remotely, or monitor activity at night, this device delivers reliability, convenience, and peace of mind, all in a sleek satin nickel design. If you want a battery-powered, smart, and easy-to-use doorbell that truly enhances your security, the Ring Battery Doorbell 2024 is an option worth considering. It's versatile, efficient, and loaded with features that make managing your property smarter and safer than ever before.